Kuala Lumpur, Bernama. International Trade and Industry Minister Datuk Seri Azman Ali was granted an audience with Yang di-Pertuan Agong El Sultan Abdullah Riyadhuddin Al Mustafa Billah Shah on Tuesday, April 28, to brief and update the King on measures taken by the government to mitigate the effect of COVID-19 on the economy and welfare of the people. Controller of the Royal Household of Istana Negara Datuk Ahmad Fadl Shamsuddin said through the 30-minute video conference at Istana Negara here, His Majesty was briefed on the roles and measures taken by the International Trade and Industry Ministry MITI following the announcement of the Movement Control Order MCO, which took effect from March 18. Today's session reflects His Majesty's concern on public health containment measures for COVID-19 and its impact on the country's economy. Sultan Abdullah has also expressed his support for the measures, especially the efforts to ensure that there is sufficient supply of food and essential items throughout the MCO period, he said in a statement here. The video conference with Azman, who is also Senior Minister, Economic Cluster, was the third conducted during the MCO after the first and second were held with Health Minister Datuk Seri Dr. Adam Barber and Minister in the Prime Minister's Department Religious Affairs Datuk Seri Dr. Zulkifli Muhammad Al-Bakri. Ahmad Fadl said the King was also briefed on the government's decision to set up the Special Cabinet Committee to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on the economy and labour market, which was jointly led by MITI and the Defence Ministry. Sultan Abdullah also expressed concern over the impact of the pandemic on small and medium enterprises and labour force in the country and hoped the measures taken by the government would prove fruitful. He added. Ahmad Fadl said the King called on all 1.5 million employees and employers of companies in certain sectors which have been allowed to operate during the MCO to adhere to the standard operating procedure and guidelines set by the Health Ministry as well as enforcement agencies. Strict adherence to the guidelines is important to prevent the emergence of a new COVID-19 cluster, he said. His Majesty is aware of the current situation faced by all parties, including the people, following the implementation of the MCO, which enters its 6th week. As such, the King hopes that people would continue to be patient and persevere in dealing with the challenges until the situation returns to normal, he added.